Today, me and my dad together are going to draw a boat. Let's start. First, draw a wavy line. Oops. That's okay though. Now draw a line like this. Now, on the other side, draw another one like this. The line like this. And now, draw another top. Like that. And draw a line like this. And draw a wave like this on the boat. And now, from this edge, draw a line like this. That's the sail of the boat. Now, draw a line like this. Now, draw two lines like this. Two lines. And now draw a thing like this. And now draw another one like this. This is the flag, which is Nepal, it looks like. Where my mom and dad went with me. And my brother. My brother was small too. And my mom and dad were born there. Now it's time to color. Okay. Now we're going to color this. I need my brown. There. Nice and neat. Now let's color the next color. Here I am. That is mixed up colors. Or you can call it 3 colors in the same place. Okay, now let me wait for my dad. Now we'll color this thing. There. Okay. Now, I'm going to color. The son is wearing glasses because he's too bright and he is bright. Okay, now let me color the clothing. Okay. Bye.